Hello guys, and welcome back to Programming N. And today we will be making a part 2 to our fidget game in Scratch. So now that we have our little cats that are following the mouse pointer here, I wanted to make a second satisfying thing. So next what we're going to do is we're going to move these over here, and when green flag pressed, if, let's do the key, let's do 1 pressed, then hide. So let's do this. Let's see. And now, oh, I forgot. Forever loop. Look, now it's gone. So that's good, because I want to make a second area. So now that that's done, we also want it to hide variable clone. So now that, so we have that, but now we also need it to show variable clone. And we also need it to show the sprite. So we have the cats, we click 1, it's gone. So that's good, because I want to make a second area. So if 1 key pressed, I'm going to paint, no, not paint, I want a sprite. Choose a sprite, button. There. It's just a button, and I want it to go to 0, 0. There. And when green flag pressed, hide, and forever, if 1 key pressed, I need it to show, and after it shows, I want to switch costumes when you click it. Show, and then I need to broadcast. Broadcast message 1, and when I receive message 1, forever, if when I receive message 1, forever, if touching mouse pointer and touch and mouse down, I also, let's change the size of this to 200. There, that's better. So if touching mouse pointer and mouse down, then next costume. Next costume. So it keeps changing costumes. So that's good. And then I want a sound. So let's choose sounds and go. I don't think that's good. I don't like the pop sound. Let's choose a different sound. Let's find a sound that you like. So, pause the video, find a sound that you like. Alright, so now that I have my sound, mine is dance sitar. When green flag pressed, like for the whole game, I want it to forever play this sound at a low volume. Forever play dance sitar. Forever play dance sitar until done. And set volume to, let's do about 45%. Let's listen to that. Alright. Continue to find a volume that you like. I like 30%. It's a nice background music. So now let's find a satisfying sound. I'm gonna do this. Or let's try, if you don't like that, you can like come. I'm gonna use chomp. I like chomp. So then I wanted to play start sound chomp. There. So we have our cats. We have the background music. 1. Let's move this back to 0. 0. Alright. So I think that's good. So that's the end of our video today. Please check out my Scratch to see this game that we have made and understand the code. Follow me on Scratch. Watch my other videos. And if you like, comment, and subscribe, I have the encouragement to make more videos for you guys. So please do that. And I'll see you next time.